After viewing this instructional tutorial, you will be able to change gradebook settings, create electronic gradebook categories and items for Dropbox and quiz items using D2L. We're going to refer to this as Pilot. We'll begin from the course homepage for our demo course, and we're going to start with Grades. We'll go over to the right-hand corner and select the blue wheel Settings. Back to the left, we'll start with Personal Display Options, and you will notice that under Grade Details, 3 items are already selected: Points Grade, Grade Scheme Symbol, Grade Scheme Color. We're going to leave those checked. The others are cosmetic for the characters to display. We will leave those at the default settings. For Repeat Final Grades, we are going to leave the check marks for Repeat Calculated Final Grade at the start of the user list, as well as Adjusted Final Grade at the start of the user list. We'll then select Save. Now we're going to go to the calculation options. We're going to use points for our final grades, 100%. We're going to scroll down and we're going to use the adjusted final grade. We're going to drop the ungraded items, and we're also going to treat ungraded items as 0. And we'll automatically keep final grades updated. We'll select Save. You're about to save changes. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Now we're going to go back to the Grades tab on the top ribbon. We'll select Manage Grades. And we're going to manage grades for week 1. So you can see that we have weeks 1 through 5 here. And if we select the tab for week 1, those are our choices. But what we want to do first is we're going to add a new category. And that would be, if we were going to add items week 6, we would go to that category. We would put in week 6. The short name can be week 6. And we will leave all those and just select Save. And then go back to Grades. We go to Manage Grades, and you'll see that now week 6 is there as well. So to add a new item, we will go to New Item, Numeric, and we are going to add a new quiz for week 1. We'll just call it Week 1 Quiz. And the category is going to be Week 1, and it's going to be a 10-point quiz. We're not going to have any bonus points. We want it included in grading, and the grade scheme we will default to a percentage. We are now going to select Save and New, because we're going to add a quiz for each one of the weeks that we have, weeks 1 through 6. So we'll select Numeric. This is quiz week 2, Week 2, that's a geek. Week 2 quiz. Category will be week 2. It'll also be a 10-point quiz. Save and New. Numeric. Week 3 quiz. Save and New. Week 4 quiz. Save and New. Week 5 quiz. Save and New. And then our last one would be week 6 quiz. Save and close. And now you can see under week 1, there is quiz 1, and that's how you enter grade categories and items using D2L.